Good morning, girls. Today we discuss about the regulation or control of monopoly. Monopolies have been suspected by the general public and the government because of their monopoly practices. Such practices are not just what monopolists do, but also includes non-competitive behavior of firms operating as oligopolists. The state wishes a free economy so that the exploitation of consumers by monopolists can be prevented. In other words, the basic objective of control and regulation of monopoly has been either to have price and output corresponding to perfect competition, or failing this, to take away a part of monopoly profits through taxes or so and spend it for public welfare. The most extreme step is nationalization of monopoly and public ownership. Enactment of anti-monopoly legislation is yet another method of controlling a monopoly. The basic aim of anti-monopoly legislation has been to prevent the monopolies from coming into existence and to dissolve and split the existing ones into a number of competing firms. This has been done in the USA. Such acts and as a Sherman Anti-Trust Act of 1880, the Clayton Acts, the Provincetown's Batman Act, etc., and in India by monopolies and restrictive trade practices. Attempts have been made in number of ways to control monopoly. First is the legal restrictions. In order to avoid wasteful competition, some degree of monopoly becomes necessary. In this situation, charges and profits have been legally restricted. Canal and railway rates can be bought under the control of the legislative. Similarly, gas, electricity, and local transport undertakings are bought under control. Second, state or municipal operations. Monopolies of the public utilities type have been bought under local or state administration. Third, legal action against monopolies. Action is taken against monopolists by the state through legislation such as Monopolies and Restrictive Trade Practice Act, Antitrust Act, Resale Price Act, Monopolies and Merger Act, etc. Tools of monopoly analysis provide some indications as to how monopoly might be regulated. The possible governmental regulatory devices are: number one, direct regulation of monopoly price, and second is the regulation through taxation. Regulation of monopoly price. Monopoly can lead to economic inefficiency. Further, excessive monopoly profit are commonly regarded as unfair to consumers. Now, okay, girls.